Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Mama J. My boys gave me that name when they were very little, and so I use that for my Facebook and my YouTube channels. I'm sharing what a housefrau does every day. I say housefrau because we moved to Germany, and in Germany they call a housewife or stay-at-home mom a hausfrau, and people always want to know what is it that you do every day. So that's what I'm doing. I'm sharing what I do on my channel. And right now we're going outside to look at my bike. I have a little bit of a problem with my GPS. So let's take a look, and really quick I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's not really the GPS, it's my holder for my phone, which has my GPS system on it. Does that make sense? So if you can see on the right hand side, it's bent. So this side won't screw or unscrew anymore. It's literally frozen. And I have yet to been able to fix it, so I got a new one. We're gonna try and install the new one. I got a new toolkit, and I tried already fixing this once and it didn't work. But if you look under here, I brought a screwdriver, and it is not a screwdriver. It has like a star. I don't know what you call that. So in Germany, when I went to the store, they had this set, and what I brought was just one of these star screwdrivers. I didn't bring one of these, like this fancy hexagon. I don't even know what you call these. Hexagon. It's so many points to it. So we're gonna need a different type of screwdriver fixing. I'm gonna have to find out what this is called because I really don't know. And so we're gonna install the new one using this tool. If my camera will focus on it. Using this tool, in and out, in and out. I don't know, it's not gonna go. There you go. So once we install this, we'll use this and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, it works. Now I can twist it and untwist it. Have my phone in there with my GPS and know where I'm going. So it works. Thank you for joining me for another moment of what a hausfrau does, another video. Like, subscribe, follow, share, comment, all the things. I am because you are. Thank you. Tschüss.